Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. The Chase Sapphire Reserve card is a premium travel rewards credit card offering a range of benefits aimed at frequent travelers and high-spending individuals. Key features include a large annual fee, substantial travel credits, and bonus points on certain purchases. Their website provides details on the specific terms and conditions. The card positions itself as a top-tier travel rewards card, competing with similar offerings from American Express and other providers. It boasts a generous points earning structure and valuable travel perks. The card's website clearly outlines the annual fee and associated benefits, ensuring pricing transparency. Eligibility is determined by Chase's creditworthiness assessment. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. Getting started was straightforward. The application process was online and relatively quick. I received my card within a week. Navigating the online portal to track points and redeem rewards was intuitive. I particularly appreciated the ability to easily transfer points to various airline and hotel partners. The performance has been excellent. I've had no issues with processing transactions or redeeming rewards. I had a quick question about a specific travel credit and their customer support responded promptly via phone. I was really impressed by how easily I could track my spending and manage my account online. The standout feature for me was definitely the Priority Pass airport lounge access, a real lifesaver during long layovers. One minor drawback was the high annual fee, although the travel credits and other perks have largely offset this cost for my travel habits. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. It's a worthwhile investment if you travel frequently and value the included benefits. That's my overview of the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.